The alarm clock rings, the sun is up, time to fill my thirsty metal cup. I grab my bags, my pencils sharp, ready to play a learning harp. Past the tall green lockers, a chatter and hum, the halls wake up to the new days come. Into the classroom, a friendly face, my very own favorite learning space. The teacher smiles and writes the date, no time to dawdle, no time to wait. We open books to maps and plans, holding history right in our hands. Numbers spin and multiply, make equations stretch and fly. A science flask with colors bright illuminates brand new light. For every question and every try, school is where our spirits fly. It's an adventure from start to end, where we grow, learn, and make a friend.